Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Max Easily, and today we are going to see exercise 5.3 arithmetic progression class 10 Cbse Max, right? So kindly watch the previous videos of arithmetic progression for better understanding this entire lesson, and I hope all have done your board exams well. So congratulations. So the next batch is arriving in the next 2 months or the next month, maybe depending upon the schools. So kindly watch all the videos from the beginning for clear betterment understand in the next year's CBSE class 10 board exams, right? So the first question is, find the sum of the following APs. In that, the first subdivision 2, 7, 12, and it goes up to 10 terms, right? So again, as I do in every video, first write what is given. 2, 7, 12, and it goes, and they have given up to 10 terms, right? So the first value A, that is 2, common difference is 5, right? We need to find the value of S 10, right? That is what the question is. That is nothing but the formula 10 by 2, that is Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is what the formula states. So the value of a is 2, 2 2s are 4. As it's an exercise problem, I am not mentioning the formula in the screen, so kindly remember the formula. Then the number of terms is 10, right? So 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into d, so 9 5s are 45. These are direct sums, so this is much enough to work it out like this, right? So 50 into 5, 50, 45, yes, so this is 49, yes, 45 plus 4, 49. So this yields you to 45. So the sum of the first 10 terms in this AP sequence, that is 2, 7, 12 and goes on up to 10 terms, is 245, right? You can use any of the formulas which I discussed in the previous video, nothing wrong about it. Depending upon the question that is given, you can opt the formula that is needed. This again, just don't waste the time by thinking of the formula which to apply, and like opt the easiest formula in order to receive the correct answer and in short period of time, right? So these are very easy lessons, so just don't waste the time in this in your board exams as well as in your school exams. Now this is the AP sequence and it is given up to 12 terms, right? Kindly have your textbooks with you in your hand. I repeat this in every videos. The first term is minus 37, then the common difference is, you get it, 4, then the number of terms n is nothing but 12. So again substituting this in the formula, you get 12 by 2, that is 6, into 2a, minus 37 into 2, that is minus 74, plus n minus 1, that is 12 minus 1, 11 into d is 44, that is 11 cross 4 is 44. So simplifying this, you get 6 into minus 30, that is nothing but minus 180. So this is the sum value of the second subdivision of the question. Now third subdivision given in the question, 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, and it is up to 100 terms. Okay, fine. So the value of a is again 0.6. Whatever the problem you solve in AP, the first line in the exact, like in the sense entire sums will be a equal to a number that is given, a equal to whatever the number that is given in the question, which we have shown in the previous videos also. Wherever we start the problem with the first and foremost thing which we used to write is a equal to so and so number, D is equal to subtracting A2 and A1. So A2 minus A1, 1.7 minus 0.6 yields 1.1. So they are given up to 100 terms. So these three things is very important in the entire AP chapter. The next fourth step depend upon the question that has been asked, whether it is to find the 10th term or 20th term, or in between the 31st term or something like that. Then the sum value. Now we need to find the S100, that is the sum up to 100 terms, that is what given in the question. So that is n by 2, right? So 100 by 2, so it is 50. N by 2 into 2a, so 0.6 into 2 is nothing but 1.2 plus n minus 1, so 99 into 1.1, right? So this is the formula. Then 50 into 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1, 108.9. Then if you solve this, you get 5505 as the sum of 100 terms, like up to 100 terms. That is what given in the question. 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, and it goes to up to 100 terms. So the entire S100 sum will be 5505, right? Now the fourth question, or the fourth subdivision, again A equal to 1 by 15 and common difference is 1 by 60. So kindly work it out. These are so simple. Then n equal to 11. Again substituting the formula, 11 by 2, n by 2 into 2a, right? So 2 by 15 plus n minus 1 into d. Ten by 60, so 1 by 6. So when you solve this, right, 11 by 2 into 2 by 15 plus 1 by 6, you get 33 by 20. You can leave this, or you can divide it, that's not necessary. So they are asking find the sum of the entire AP, so 33 by 20. If you want, you can divide and put in the point value, but that's not needed, that's not necessary for this sum, because they are just asking find the net sum of the given sequence up to certain number of terms that is asked in the question, whatever it may be, right? So you can use whatever the formula. See, I haven't written the formula here because I have used this same formula for entire four sums. Depending upon the question that is being asked, say for example, if they have given the an value, then n by 2 into a plus an is much enough, and it's a easy step to do so, because substituting the d value, multiplication, some of mistakes, some minute mistakes may happen for some people. So kindly switch over to the easiest sum, like easiest formulas which is been given with respect to the question, right? Now the second question from this exercise, again we need to find the value, that is find the sum value. We will do the first subdivision. The value a is 7. The common difference is again 7 by 2. So kindly work it out, the common difference, because it takes time. Now the 84 is the nth term. It is not nth term. 20, I'm sorry, 84. We don't know the value of n, just an nth term. Which term is 84? We don't know. We need to find that with the formula an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. So the an value, that is 84, because it is consider it to be a one of the term in the entire sequence. We need to find which term. So 7 plus n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Upon simplifying, this is the basic max. I am not wasting the time over here. So the value of n is 23. So the 23rd term, right? 23rd term is 84. So this, like, the 84 is 23rd sum. So there are entirely 23 terms that is present in the first subdivision sequence is what the first analysis report. So we need to find a sum value, that is n by 2. The n value is 23, right? So 23 by 2 plus, it's not plus, n by 2 into 2a, right? The value of a is 7, so 14 plus 22 into the common difference 7 by 2. So this gives you 77, 87, 91. 23 cross 91 divided by 2. When you simplify this, you get 91. So this yields 2093 by 2. So this is, you can just leave this as it is. So this is the sum value, that is the Sn value of the first subdivision. Find the sum given below, right? That sequence sum value is 2093 by 2. So this is the first subdivision given in the second problem. We will next see the second subdivision. The second subdivision is 34 plus 32 plus 30, and it goes up to 10. We need to find the sum value. So again, a equal to 34, an, that is the last term, yes, that is 10. Common difference d is minus 2. These are basics. Now we need to find the sum value, net sum value, right? So again, the formula for this, before that we need to find the total number of terms. So again, the formula an equal to, that is 10 equal to 34 plus n minus 1 into minus 2. This is because we need to substitute the value of n in the sum value, in the sum formula. So upon finding that answer, the value of n is 13, right? These are basics, that's why I am again and again repeating. You just kindly do it by yourself. Find the value of n with this equation. So you get the value, as I stated over here, the value of n is 13. Again, with this we can easily substitute in the formula 13 by 2 into a plus an, 34 plus 10. These are the formulas which we discussed in the previous classes. 34, right? 34 plus 10. So 44, 22, 13 cross 22. So when you simplify this, you get 286 as the sum value for this second subdivision, right? 286. Yes, so this is the net sum of this entire sequence that is present, the AP 32, 30, 34, 32, 30, and goes up to 10. So similarly, the third question, you just work it by yourself. The same thing, find the write the value of a that is given in the question, find the common difference. They have given the an value, the same formula which I have used in the second subdivision, that is an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. With this you find the value of n, then substitute in the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an, which gives the value of sum. So try it with the third subdivision in the second problem, and if you didn't get the answer, text me in the comment section. In the next video we'll work it out, right? So we'll see in the next video. Kindly subscribe it and share it to your needed ones. Bye.